To apply traditional Stucco Rustico cyclope, you must prepare the wall by applying a layer of fixative both on the new plaster and the painted walls. After mixing, apply a layer of the product with a maximum thickness of 3 to 4 mm on a steel float and spread it on the wall. Apply the product in a totally irregular manner, only making sure to cover all areas of the surface. The product is to be applied in a single coating, and the final result will be determined by the manner in which it is applied. For example, you can press the tool against the wall and then release it, obtaining the uneven effect seen in the film. If you do not like this result, you can erase the effect and spread the product again, letting the float glide over the surface for a wave effect to wait 24 hours. If you would like to accentuate the decorative effect, dampen a sponge and delicately pass over the surface before the glaze dries. In fact, by doing this, you can obtain even more nuance and light and shade effects that will exaggerate the final result, making it even richer.